Welcome to channel, we will glad to share with you best men's watch under $30. Here is man's best fashion. Brand name Tourbillon. Model number Dragon 125. Case material stainless steel. Classic fashionman. 3D dragon. Suspensing. Carving. Classic / luxury. Original automatic mechanical movement. Feature. Water resistant, shock resistant. Band length 24 cm. Dial diameter 40 mm. Model number Dragon 125. Polo Boss stainless steel. Solid. Butterfly. Buckle. Crown design. LE10 LA creation Pout L Tinita Sejor. Watchman gold stainless steel waterproof.